Welcome, everyone. My name is Von Giner, and I'm Vice President of
Hair and blue eyes.
This is a required monthly test of the Mushroom Kingdom Emergency Alert System. Broadcast and cable stations in the areas of Mushroom Kingdom are testing equipment that can quickly warn you during an event of an actual emergency. If this is an actual emergency, such as a civil or danger warning, attack from Bowser and Bowser Jr., flash flood warning, nuclear power station, tornado, hurricane, flash flood, or tsunami, or any other local emergencies, an official message would follow the alert tone. This concludes the requirement monthly test of the Mushroom Kingdom Emergency Alert System.
Night. Great. I worked out, made dinner, a little family time, and had Peter's ankles up in the air by 11.
God, I admire you.
That's what you're here for, Judy Greer.
Oh, I almost forgot. Bert wants to see you in his office.
Huh? What about?